A game mode stores a level's information, like what pawn, controller, game state, and HUD class we're using, and we'll talk about all four of those in later episodes. Game modes are spawned when a level is opened and removed when a level is closed, unlike a game instance which goes across multiple levels. In multiplayer games, the game mode controls how many people log into a level and how they join, as well as stopping players from joining or knowing when players leave. Another important thing to point out is in multiplayer games, only the server has access to the game mode. Since this is a single-player game, that's not necessarily important for our project. So let's make another folder inside our content game blueprint, and we'll just call this level 1 for our level 1 level. And we can open it up. And inside this, let's make a game mode. So let's go to Blueprint Class, and right here we have Game Mode Base. We can click on it, and we can call it L1 for level 1, and Game Mode. So let's assign this game mode to our level. We can do that right here in our World Settings tab. If you don't have it, you can go to Window, World Settings, right here. And we have this thing called Game Mode Override, and it says none for now. We can open this up, and we can see our L1 game mode right there. Let's click it. Now if we expand our selected game mode here, we have a few things, like our default pawn class, our HUD class, our player controller, our game state, our player state, and our spectator class. These things are the kind of information that our game mode holds. Now every single level needs a game mode attached to it. And if you notice, we can remove it, and it says none. If it says none, it will use the default game mode. To find what the default game mode is, we can go to Settings, Project Settings, and Maps and Modes. And here we have the default game mode, which is just the regular game mode base. If you want, you can make it the L1 game mode, and the none will default to the L1 game mode. I'm still going to use the game mode override for L1 game mode. All these things in the selected game mode are going to be future episodes, and we'll talk about each one.